In today's video, we are going to be sharing the top 5 lunch coolers for 2024. Whether you're looking for a lunch cooler for your child to send to school with or a long day at your job, this video is going to give you a lot more information on which cooler is right for your specific situation. But before we walk through these coolers, just note that we'll have all the referral links listed down below in the description. And just know that if you use our links, we do get a small referral fee at no additional cost to you. This really helps us keep creating free videos like this for you, so thank you so much in advance for using our links. All right, let's get into the top 5 coolers, and we've broken each down by category. Let's start with the best overall. That is the Arctic Zone Titan Deep Freeze Cooler. This is really the best bang for your buck when it comes to price and performance. Let's go over some of the features. Right now, this is $43 on Amazon. What's neat about this cooler is the inside is hard to keep all of the things inside it cool, but the outside is a fabric design. It's a zipperless cooler with a flip open design. This gives you quick access to your food and drink, and it keeps ice cold for 2 days, and it can hold up to 16 cans. What's neat about this design too is the hard liner that holds everything inside of the lunch cooler can actually be removed. This is going to allow you to separate your hard from your soft items to make sure that the soft ones like sandwiches won't get crushed. It also has a really good shoulder strap that has anti-slip material on it, so it's going to fit nicely on your shoulder. And it's going to be very easy to clean. Just wipe everything down with a wet cloth and you should be good. Now, the only con of this is at $42, it might be a little bit pricey for a lunch cooler, and that's why we have the second option here, which is the best budget cooler. This is an insulated bag, and it's your more traditional idea of what would be taken to school or a job. But it still has excellent thermal insulation, so let's go over some of the features here. So the inside is this insulated foam material, but the outside is a nice fabric. This is made out of a polyester fiber, which is going to be able to be cleaned very easily just with a wet cloth like the other one as well. This insulated box is going to allow you to keep hot or cold items, and it's going to be great for on-the-go meals, for picnics, the beach, or whatever adventure you might have planned. Also, it's going to be great for the office as well. It's also leak-proof, so you won't have to worry about any issues around having any leakage. And it's also waterproof as well, so you won't have to worry about anything outside of it contaminating any of the food inside. It has a large capacity to hold things within the bag. It's 10 by 7 inches by 8 inches, which is a pretty decent size. And it also has pockets on the outside as well, so you can hold things like napkins, phone charger, whatever you might need. On the top of the bag, it has a handle, so it can be easily carried in one hand. And the modern design is suitable for men, women, children, whoever might want to use it. This is going to be a great budget option for you. Also, this could be a good gift option for family or a friend. The next category of lunch cooler here we have are the classic hardtop ones. Now, the winner here is the Igloo Classic Playmate. Now, you might have seen these before. I actually had one as a kid, and my parents still have one in their garage. Also, I see a lot of construction workers with this exact lunch cooler, and it's really popular in other industries as well. This is going to be great to keep things cold, and it has a really simple hardtop design. Basically, you just push the button on the side and the top folds down, and then when you want to close it up, it just snaps right back into place. And the lid's just going to swing on the top, so that's going to prevent any spillage or anything getting inside that you don't want to be contaminating your food. Igloo has this trademark tent top that's really a unique feature and design of this product. I use these all the time when I go camping. I really can't recommend it enough, and it's a great product at an affordable price. The next option here is if you're looking for an oversized option. And for that, we chose the Iknoe large cooler bag. I actually bought this recently as a gift for a family member, and it works amazing. It's collapsible, it can hold up to 24 cans, and it's just a bigger option if that's what you're looking for. It also collapses down to a very small footprint, so you can hide it away easily. Let's go over some of the features of this one. It's insulated and sturdy. It has a 5mm foam padding inside of it. It has an eco-friendly PEVA lining, and it's going to be able to keep your lunch cold for 8 hours. So not as good as some of the other options on this list, but plenty fine if you're just using it for one day. It has double stitched zippers as well as a premium metal on the zipper. You're not going to have any problems with the zipper not working or catching. It works very smoothly. And it's leak and waterproof. The seams are great, and it prevents any leaking from escaping the bag. So it can hold either 24 bags or up to 3 meals, which is pretty great. It's pretty big size for the small footprint that it has when it's collapsed. It has one inner mesh as well as 2 side mesh options for anything like napkins, forks, any other utensils you might need. It's portable, lightweight, and has an adjustable shoulder strap as well, so you can easily carry it with your hand or throw it over your shoulder. And obviously, this is going to be a great option for men, women, and children alike. The bag is not heavy itself. It weighs a little bit over half a pound. Now, depending on what you put in it, obviously it might get a little bit heavy. You can have up to 3 meals or 24 cans, which could get a little bit heavy. And obviously, this can be a great option to gift to family too, like I just did. Okay, now we're at the last one, and this is is going to be the Splurge box. And the last option here in the Splurge category is going to be by Yeti. And this is the Yeti Hopper Flip 8 Portable Soft Cooler. Now, this is a very expensive product coming in at $200 on Amazon, but it is really the best quality lunch cooler that money can buy. And if you know Yeti and their brand, they stand behind their quality. Yeti has somewhat of a cult following for a couple of their different items, and this is one of them. People on the internet last year were freaking out about this cooler, but it's a really great option at an expensive price point. Let's go over some of the features to see if this could be right for you. This cooler can hold up to 8 cans or 6 cans plus ice, and it has this closed cell foam that allows it to insulate very well. It's 100% leak proof. It has an extremely durable hydrolock zipper and high density fabric that's going to withstand UV rays, so you can be sure that everything inside will remain cool. The dry hide shell is going to be water resistant, so you won't have to worry about anything contaminating what's inside your lunch cooler. And this is actually a pretty decently sized lunch cooler as well. It's almost 12 inches long, it's 8 inches wide, and 10.5 inches high. Empty with nothing in it, it's going to weigh 2.8 pounds. And this could also be a great gift option too. Yeti really has some of the most amazing products, so if you're looking for the high-end option, then this Yeti cooler might be for you. That's all we have for you today for our top 5 lunch coolers for 2024. As we said before, all the links for these will be down below in the description, so be sure to check those links out to get the most updated pricing. And lastly, this channel is dedicated to providing you the best deals on the internet, so if you want to see more videos like this, please leave us a like and subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.